Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic calendar, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need to. So, grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. So, the calendar is available in our Bitrix24. We can organize meeting and events with style and ease. You can also plan your day and manage your workload, communicate with your team, and collaborate with external users, all with Bitrix24. So the calendar provides the public and private events. It is also flexible in giving access rights. There are two-way sync with MS, Apple, Google. It is a open slot. We can do the planning in the calendar, organize meeting and events, invite your team members and external users. You can schedule appointments and plan your day. Organizing. There so much you can do with a simple event in Bitrix24 calendar. You can create a quick chat, set up an online meeting or assign a task. As you can see, here we have added a task and we can set the reminders also. We can change the attendees, we can open the chats, we can do the video call from here also. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below and I will see you in the next one.